Hello students, this is congruent theorem which comes for 3 marks in your board exam. The statement is, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. So first write two triangles, name it as ABC and DEF. So first we have to write the data. So since they have already given in the statement, the two triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So these two triangles are already similar. If the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be in equal proportion, that is in equal ratio. Therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Therefore AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So since the two triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will be in equal proportion. Therefore AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So next is to prove. We can go back to the statement. They have given if the areas of two similar triangles are equal. They are already similar. So if it is equal, then we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So there is no construction in this theorem. Directly we can write the proof. Since area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF, as per the statement, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. By area of similar triangle theorem, by areas of similar triangle theorem, if two areas of the two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides will be in equal ratio. The squares of the corresponding sides will be in equal ratio according to area of similar triangle theorem. So which I am going to explain in the next video. So according to this theorem, if two areas are equal, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to square of its corresponding sides, that is AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. So this one is according to the theorem proof of areas of similar triangles. So if the areas of two triangles are equal, then the ratio of the area is equal to square of its corresponding sides. So since already we have noted that both the areas are equal, so these two will cancel each other. If these two cancels each other, there will be 1. So 1 is equal to AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. So now we can write it as a section. That is, in first point we can write 1 is equal to AB square by DE square. In second section we can write 1 is equal to BC square by EF square. And in third section we can write 1 is equal to AC square by DF square. Since 1 is equal to all the corresponding sides. So by cross multiplication we can write it DE square into 1 is DE square is equal to AB square. And here EF square is equal to BC square and DF square is equal to AC square. Here the squares will get cancels each other. So the remaining is DE is equal to AB. Let it be equation number 1. EF is equal to BC, equation number 2, and DEF is equal to AC, equation number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3. From 1, 2 and 3, we can notice here DE is equal to AB and AC is equal to DF and BC is equal to EF. So from 1, 2 and 3, all sides are equal to each other. If all sides are equal to each other, then triangle ABC is always congruent to triangle DF. Because according to the congruency of theorem, according to congruency of triangles, what will happen? If all the three sides are equal, then it will be congruent. So hence proved. Thank you, students.